I have this fabric that's all cut up from making cushions. And this piece of fabric in particular, I cut out, and then I realized that it was the wrong size. But I have something else in mind for it. I'm going to make a bunch of little lavender pillows. So just like little square pillows that are full of lavender. So I was gone from New York for about a month. I fly back to New York, and my first night sleeping in my own bed, I got like 10 mosquito bites. One thing that supposedly repels mosquitoes is lavender. And so I was like, oh, I just need the room to smell more like lavender, and then maybe they won't be able to find me. Lavender is also great because it repels moths and it smells nice. It's like a calming, relaxing scent. So yeah, win, 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 win. I'm going to make a lot of these, but I'm just going to show you the making of the first one. Which is really too bad because I'll probably get better at it when I get to like my 10th. I hope you're here to see the struggle. I don't have a cutting mat with like a grid or even a great ruler to like square this off, but that is on my list of things to buy. So this is not square. Probably this isn't square. This is a remnant piece of fabric from Sarah Parker Textiles. She makes these screen printed fabrics using organic based cloths. And this is a remnant piece, meaning it was just kind of left over. And so it has this section on the end that doesn't have a print on it. For the back of the pillow, I'm going to use the unprinted section. And I'll start here. I really think hand stitching is like one of my new favorite things to do. Sort of this like satisfying, repetitive motion, and then pulling the thread through is fun. Bought a pound of English lavender from Mountain Rose Herbs. For a second I like wanted to say herbs, or was like, wait, is that what we say? No, we don't. Oh cool, this is 0 calories. So I remember as a kid, I was given like something from Bath and Body Works that was lavender scented, and my other sisters were given the same things but like with different scents. But my oldest sister, she really wanted the lavender one that I got. Like then I was like, well, but I want the lavender one too. I just remember feeling like really bad about it, and I like just this sort of like guilt of like, oh, like should I give it to her? And I don't really remember what happened. Also, who knows? That's just how I'm remembering the story. Who knows what happened? But anyway, I've always liked the smell of lavender, and apparently my oldest sister Katrina also has always liked the smell of lavender. Maybe I'll send her some lavender pillows. There we go. So I'm doing a blind stitch. Hopefully stitching this up this way will make it so that you mostly can't see the stitches. This is working better than I expected, this blind stitch. For some reason I was assuming that like, I don't know, I wouldn't be able to do it or something. Snip this and it's secure. So it's been 2 days since I made the first lavender pillow. And since then I've made 8 more. And I do think that this first one is the worst one, depending on how you define worse. So now I have this big stack and I'm going to put them in different places around my room. Let's see. I'm just gonna tuck this in. The last one. Stay aromatic for a while, but if they do start to lose their smell, you can just like press them in your hands, just kind of scrunch them. They'll release like oils, you know, to make it smell again. But you know, if it does eventually, like if in a few years or whatever, they lose their smell, I can just rip the seam open and refill it and sew it back up. And I still have more scrap fabric, and I still have a ton of lavender. So let me know if you want to buy some lavender pillows from my non-existent Etsy shop.